Me salon fambulem una do. This na Alpha Saidu Bangwa they bring to una another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word today Monday, the 2nd of November 2015. Today I want to appeal to the youths, then APC in particular, and the youths of Sierra Leone in general, for let una not take the opinion way by Mahmoud Bangura, the APC, the National Youth League president, come up with recently na 98.1, where he say the people of Sierra Leone for give President Anesco more time for make it continue as president. That opinion they not good for Sierra Leone, it not good for we democracy, and it threaten the security of the country. For our information, I want to know say by Mahmoud Bangura, it work na State House in a waiting and they call the Presidential Youth Aid. I believe say in work now for advise the president as to how the youth them go better in the country. But for more than that work day, nothing no day where he don't do or he don't advise government where don't make your life them better, the youth them. Beaucoup pa una they will get degree or some other professional qualifications, but una no get job. In get a job where the taxpayers of Sierra Leone they pay them beaucoup money. By Mahmoud Bangura, they get beaucoup privileges the way they enjoy in a State House. So, now they want safeguard, now make it come up police butubata. Una de suffer, una no get work, in get work. And he believe within himself say, if President Anesco go, sometimes the next position they come, no go maintain another position they get. And he don't want that. Because as I say, he gets beaucoup money where they enjoy. In salary and other official emoluments the way they enjoy. So he don't care about una. He want protect himself and his own family. Una de suffer job no day. 95% of the youth that are APC, they don't get work, they are unemployed. For more President Anesco come, the youth unemployment rate, it go up every day. You don't care about that. You don't even want to know. By Mahmoud Bangura say, since the past 8 years, President Anesco not able to do nothing for the youth in a salon. Where in term of office done, let una get more time because it don't promise say it can build a training center for the youth them for let una go learn carpenter work. If 8 years we get beaucoup money, get the opportunity, you're not able to build a facility for go train una, who's guarantee una get say if una get more time it go do? No, una not get no guarantee. So una not even listen to that. It don't take away President Anesco and the APC, they misuse the young people in a salon. Where election time they cancel the can go na beaucoup money because they know say now una dynamic, now una go able go dance for them, sing up and down na tongue. No, una better pass that. Una young future then una and una get a bright future ahead of una. Them people are na APC, they don't care about una. Una stand up for una self. It is an insult for make by Mahmoud Bangura say, even though the APC get competent people them besides President Anesco for be president, but may all them competent people and they sit down. May they allow President Anesco for do more than the time of the constitution get right now. Fiti idea pass that? No. President Anesco is just overambitious. He don't care about the people in a salon, he care about he and family. Now that make where some people in a APC can say, President Anesco, actually want for stay passing time. That people and they come up with that opinion day. That is not true. Because if he really not be want that, like where the youth then go come up with that resolution in a McKinney right there. Now they if I say, una the youth then a APC, I tell una thank you for the confidence una get in me. I know say una appreciate the work that I don't do. That make una they suggest say, men and give me more time like continue after me 10 years. But me no want that because the constitution not allow that. And I don't want let nobody can manipulate the constitution of Sierra Leone for suit me, President Ernest Koroma. Even the Constitutional Review Committee, if that suggestion they come, I want to let everybody know say, me, President Ernest Koroma, I know they do more than 2 times. Me yon term done, I they go let other person come. Any president who genuine, that's what you go talk. President Ernest Koroma, if he be sincere, if I've been copied the examples of we late President Alhaji Ahmad Tijan Kaba, God give Aljana. President Ahmad Tijan Kaba come, he doing 10 years of the constitution get right for do. After that, where election come in 2007, even though all man no say the electoral commission headed by Christian Atop then cook the election for the APC, President Ahmad Tijan Kaba tell Pabewa when I be the SLPP the presidential candidate say, since the electoral commission don't announce the result, in the interest of Sierra Leone and its people, let us accept it. Logos, you don't suffer. May the peace and the tranquility who don't fight for, may the people of Sierra Leone continue for enjoy. President will genuine, so he behave. He no say in term London, he go suffer. May nobody not change constitution for suit in one game. That is wrong. And then if Pakaba bin team up, if we win back, because people them assess them by the good work where if we don't do. So I mean, enough of be worry if we just want to stay in a power no more. But he said no, what in the law say, not me for father. So if President Ernest Koroma really no one for do more than the 2 consecutive terms of the constitution game. If we begin talking now, enough for encourage them talking themselves. But when you see set him out, that because in self, that he want. He glad for that. But you know one come out, some of my people and not think say, oh, this man elect power. But we want to let you know say we not too small picking them. We know. And right now, it don't even galvanize 2-3 people in the APC way. And they talk to them, then they tell me not the APCO, but beaucoup people and they where they gladly they want to expose them here, so then they can't give me information. You know, already now, next year, 2016, where the APC, they get the national convention, then they come up with a resolution that if they bring new person right now, trouble go for them, not the party. Because right now, you get beaucoup people that will get the intention for one. And then they go divide the party. So therefore, for me, the party go continue for day together. Let them allow President Ernest Koroma for continue because the Constitutional Review Committee go bring a kind of the Constitution. Then, to waiting, then they think that it will just go Parliament. Since they get majority in a Parliament, then go approve it. Well, now mistake that one day they go make. Because I want first of all, they know say that particular provision will deal with the president in terms of office, now entrenched provision. Therefore, not to Parliament, the amender. It has to go to the people in a referendum, waiting and they call yes or no vote. And when we reach that stage, they wallahi billahi, it not go pass. So it's not possible. And I don't tell the people that are APC that. Me no de APCO, and I don't go ever did it because me never fit me clearly. But the one day where the thing they had, then they can't give me information. So I don't put them out there and I'm letting them know saying that the plan that day. And even the one day na APC, a huge percentage of them not ready for allow that. So the halala, na me for go part them. I don't always tell them, menu fumprene, me never woman. Me no dey now na party, and I not forever did it. But na me go come part to now. For make fete no go be. So please, una the youth them. Una not allow me President Ernest Koroma continue for use una. That is not good. Una stand up for una self. A man's best servant na himself. Una fight for una own future. When President Ernest Koroma in 10 years don't let go, Jen Kaima, una hand over the country to sober-minded person. We elect the country, we get a proven record. That's not the only term and only way we una the youth then go see better than the country. Until next week, we will bring to una another edition. This Alpha Saidu Bangwa, they say tata.